Welcome to Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. My name's Elaine, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Simmons blend. Now, most of you know already a Skinner blend, which was created by Judith Skinner. This is a Simmons blend that was created by Carol Simmons, and I'm going to show you the difference between the two.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
So here you can see that we have two blends. This one on the side is the Skinner blend, and this one on the side is the Simmons blend. As you can see, the Skinner blend has a dark gradient coming up to the top, but there's more of the dark color. The Simmons technique actually has more of a gradients. So you could start with the dark and it fades into the light. So I'm going to show you how to do that technique. So when you see these two blends here, again, on this side is the Skinner blend, and on this side is the Simmons blend. You can see the way that this is cut, it's less of the dark, as on this side, it's very equal. It's going to show a better gradients from dark to light. So let me show you how to do that in the pasta machine. We're going to roll that right now. Okay, we're going to start rolling it just like you would do in a blend, and then we're going to turn and then just going to flip, and it's going to come apart a little bit. Just press it together. Keep it folded the bottom to top. Don't turn it because you'll lose your blend. Again. And we're going to just keep doing that until we get a nice blend. You're going to see that the gradient colors are going to start to blend. And I'm going to keep doing this for about 10 times through the pasta roller. All right, so you can see now that we have the blend, and you can see how evenly the dark is going into the light. It doesn't take over the whole blend. Now, of course, you're going to trim this up, and then you can make all kinds of designs. You can make a plug, you can make a leaf cane, and I got a couple examples here to show you after I trim this up. So here we have a beautiful, nice blend, very even. So I'm going to show you examples of what you can do. You could roll this up and make a plug. Okay, and the plug is the start of a cane. And you can actually go and see those on our other videos in our resources. This is a cane that we've done. We've made it out of a plug. Or you could actually just do earrings that I've made out of a beautiful blend. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you go and play with this new blend. Also, remember to like, subscribe, and follow, and sign up for our email. And I'm Elaine, and I hope to see you again. So love, live, and create.